How to redeem the Shein points. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to redeem your Shein points but do not know how to do it, here is the perfect tutorial. First of all, tap open your Shein application and log in. Now scroll down to find different products that you want to buy and make sure to add it to the cart. Once you have added it to the cart, you can view the items on your card or the bag option. Then tap on checkout. Here is the list of options that you need to add. Select the payment method, scroll down a bit and you will see view more button. Tap on it. Here you will see points. This is the Shein points that you can redeem. But remember, it can only be redeemed toward the purchase of products and not toward shipping costs, taxes or fees. So now if you have any points, you can choose from the points and tap on apply and it will be deducted from your purchase points. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.